What is the typical workflow for going from Google Sheets like this to a web app like that? So what can be done with this spreadsheet specifically? So you can see there are columns that would have specific types, and we are interested in learning types for each individual column. Most of these are repeating values. Therefore, for example, you have a name of the operator who is responsible or in charge of this specific case. You have a status that is also something that needs to be stored separately, and so on and so forth. And so we are interested in learning what are the types of these individual columns and whether they are specific to this particular sheet, or they could be extracted as a separate entity. Just like here, as you can see, we have a registry of statuses that are then used as values in the main Appify type. Okay, all our communication goes through a portal called GitLab, which is a place where we store issues and also projects and source code. So that's the workflow.